Hey, Mr. Joseph Yamin, you will clap for us. Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Man B, a friend with Joseph Yamin, and I say Bibisa. You see, some man we know, or a national organizer, Emma NDC. Nah, assembly by. And this is a release from Precious Minerals Marketing Company Limited. I say only a Benjamin for they deal with the gold and stuff, you know. They weigh gold and stuff for Bank of Ghana and the government of Ghana, and then all those things, and a lot of things they do. But assembly say these people have been licensed to do a work. These people are paid to do a particular job. And this is not the first time these people, it has been in existence for very long under both NDC and MPP governments. And they are a government, they are a company, they do things on behalf of you and I. Now, before I address Joseph Yamin, and whoever knows him, he should share this video with him. Because it's very important to me. Because whatever I'm coming to say, I mean it. I mean it. Let's go and look at the release from the Precious Minerals Marketing Company Limited. This was released on the 18th of December 2024. 18th December. Disruption in PMMC operations at the National Access Center. The Precious Minerals Marketing Company, which by law act as the national assayer, has noted with deep concern an incident that occurred at the National Access Center located at the Advanced Cargo Terminal, where a mob led by a gentleman who identified himself as Mr. Joseph Yamin, the national organizer of the National Democratic Congress, forcibly attempted to seize bullion bars being processed by PMMC for the Central Bank of Ghana. The incident occurred on Tuesday, 17th December 2024, between the hours of 4:16 hours GMT, lasting till about 12 midnight. The bullion bars belong to the Bank of Ghana as part of the ongoing domestic gold purchase program, which was launched as far back as June 2021. The bullion bars were being assayed to confirm their weight, purity, and consequently value. It was during this assay that the process was disrupted by a mob led by Mr. Yamin, with the allegation that the said bullion bars were being smuggled secretly out of Ghana by certain political actors, which allegation is false. PMMC and the Bank of Ghana had to call the intervention of the police, and after several hours of standoff, it was agreed that the bullion bars be moved to Greater Accra Regional Police Command for safekeeping until this morning, with the hope of a resolution to the issue. It is worthy to know that a private exporter who is duly licensed to carry out export was also affected by the unfortunate incident. The gold which was being processed for export by the private licensed exporter was also added to the bullion belonging to the Bank of Ghana. This unlawful action is deeply regrettable and has the potential to cause significant harm to Ghana's reputation on the international bullion market. Such disruptions not only undermine the confidence of legitimate international gold buyers, but also threaten the country's standing as a trusted player in the global gold trade. Furthermore, this act places the Ghanaian men and women who are lawfully discharging their duties at significant risk. The dedicated staff who are committed to ensuring compliance with Ghana's strict regulatory standards should not have to face threats or intimidation while performing their legitimate responsibilities. This creates a hostile environment and undermines the very systems designed to ensure transparency, integrity in gold trade. It is important to emphasize that a simple verification with the relevant authorities, including PMMC and the Bank of Ghana, would have clarified the legitimacy of the process and avoided such an embarrassing and damaging situation. The management of PMMC stands resolute in its commitment to ensuring transparency, accountability, and compliance with all legal and regulatory standards governing the export of gold. We will continue to collaborate with relevant stakeholders to safeguard the integrity of Ghana's gold trade. PMMC reiterates its commitment to upholding its mandate as national assayer and will not relent in promoting responsible gold trade to protect and advance the interests of Ghana's precious mineral industry. Ebusianfo, asem no nie. Asem no nie. Na, ade mi ya ne say, in the midst of all this, the president-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, is quiet. He has not come out to ask NDC and their foot soldiers to stop whatever is ongoing. Now, with all these things that are ongoing, we are made to understand, as they say, Ghana is a banana republic. Because Ghanaians voted for a 4-year tenure of Nana Akufo-Addo. And as our 4-year tenure, it will end on the night of 6th January 2025. That is when Akufo-Addo will cease to become president of the Republic of Ghana. That is when John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, will be legitimately the president of Ghana. And so, if with about 2 to 3 weeks left to that day, it has become as if because NDC has won an election, there is no law and there are no law officials and security officials that are mandated to carry their responsibility, I don't say to preserve or to maintain law and order. And so NDC and their executives, national executives, regional executives, and all will take the law into their own hands. They can go to the Electoral Commission and make demands. They can go to whichever state company and make demands. They can go to municipal assemblies and make demands. And everybody is quiet. And we are all watching just because they've won an election. What is to come will not be good. And the reason I'm saying what is to come will not be good is because some of us in the New Patriotic Party, we will not wait until we win election 2028. Actually, until Congress, when we come out of Congress and we vote for new executives from constituency to regional to national, we will not even wait for a flag bearer. And we will start monitoring state agencies. We will make sure, say, anything that is done at any place, we will have an idea. Because NDC has set the ground rolling for that. If we are told now, say it is possible, say, as citizens, we can just get up and go to where they are weighing gold and coal, and we say we are seizing the gold. Yeah, that is what NDC is teaching us. And so, if we also in the New Patriotic Party, we are able to mobilize our people, we can go to wherever gold is, wherever they are weighing gold for the state, and seize it. And put it down there because we are suspecting that some politicians in Mohammed's government want to export it. That is what we are saying. That is what we are tolerating. And that is the foundation NDC is laying. And it is very dangerous. It is very, very, very dangerous. Because we can also do it. It will get to the place where we will feel, say, Parliament House, no, they are going to pass a bill, and that bill will be to favor politicians. So we will go and sit at the entrance and say that no one should enter. That is what they are doing, and we are quiet. That is what they are doing, and we are quiet. We are entertaining them. We are tolerating them. And it is because our government is in power. That's why we are not retaliating, no. Because if you do something small right now, they will say, and we are MPP government is fighting against freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of association. But once we also enter officially into opposition, once we enter into opposition, once we go to Congress and select and elect new leaders, hey, Mr. Joseph Yamin, you will clap for us. We're both You will clap for us. And we are waiting, we are watching. Asienu Nketia, their chairman, has not come out to speak. Fifi Kwete, their secretary, has not come out to speak. It means all these actions are sanctioned. It means all these actions are sanctioned. It is allowed. It is permitted. So when we two in the MPP will start, please, whoever will be our national chairman then, whoever will be our general secretary then, we don't want to hear say, oh, we should stop. No. Because, you see, violence, and I say ntokwa, and I say takashi, is not the sole proprietorship of any particular group of people. So people are working, and then civilians who don't have, we have not voted for Joseph Yamin. His face was not on a ballot paper. All of a sudden, he has gotten a voice. He's able to mobilize guys that they should go and seize gold. Hey! Any interesting times ahead. Interesting times ahead. Interesting times ahead. I don't know what you think about this, but I'm so bored. Interesting times ahead. And Peace Council has not spoken. So when it comes to our time, it gets to our turn, Peace Council, please stay out of it. The same way you are not speaking, you are not condemning clergy. You are not condemning, you are not speaking. No problem. But when it gets to our turn also, please, hold your peace. Hold your peace. This has been the Political Ranch with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, let's know what you think. Share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.